Well, hello, my inky friends. It's Cindy Lynn with My Inky Fingers. Thank you so much for joining me today for this amazing July 2020 Paper Pumpkin unboxing and a giveaway. So, really quick, I'm just going to let you know, I don't want to waste your time. I want to get right into this unboxing, but I'm going to let you know that there's a link down in the description to my blog that gives all the information about the Paper Pumpkin Code giveaway. So, definitely head over there, read all of the rules and regulations, and then come back here, leave your comment, let me know why you love paper pumpkin and what country you live in. So without further ado, this month we have an add-on, the Summer Nights add-on. It is $10 US and $13 Canadian, and it has 24 card bases and envelopes, and it coordinates with everything I'm going to show you. Now, as traditionally it goes, I have unboxed everything for you, so it makes go a little quicker, and I'm just going to show you everything I've unboxed. These are the Summer Nights instructions, and you can follow these to the T. They've got step-by-step instructions in here, or you can go in your own direction and do whatever you like with the kit. And as always, I will have alternatives up on my YouTube channel very shortly. So your kit includes everything I'm going to show you here today, and your coordinating colors are Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Night of Navy, and White. So let's get into this. I saw these stamps when I pulled them out, and I am just loving these. They are so adorable. This one says, "Oh, the summer nights are all right with everything magic and bright." There's a little firefly here. There's some fireworks. It's a party. You're invited. Your little lantern. And it's also got "You Light Up My Life." So there's what, where, when, RSVP. So there's all kinds of little things here. And I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can use these here. They're called postcards, but you can make little invitations on the back, or you can address them on the back and write something just like a postcard. But I'm going to give you a little tip. There's 3 of each, but what I've done is I've placed some in a laminating sheet, because if you're careful and you only use one layer on these and you don't go too thick with them, you can run 4 of these through your laminator with these laminating sheets, and I will link these down below for you. But then you can cut them out, stick a stamp on them, and then mail them off. I mean, how awesome is that? I will make one as an alternative so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, but those would make awesome little postcards. Alternatively, you can also put them on any card base. Now, I would suggest, because these are rounded, I would take the detailed trio and I would round the 2 corners on the front and back of your cards, so it just kind of goes in unison with the actual card front if you choose to make cards out of them. Now, this month does come with a Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Spot, so I'm super excited about that because I don't have a little one like that. And it also comes with these, can you guys see these? They are so adorable. I mean, they're sparkly and cute. And you know me, I'm always hoarding my paper pumpkin embellishments because I never feel like, I'm always worried I'm going to use them up and then never have any more. And if you saw my recent top 10 favorite tools and supplies, you know I'm a twine lover. And this here looks like Night of Navy twine. So I'm super excited to have some of that. Now, the kit did come with your envelope. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 envelopes that'll go with all of your postcards. So if you didn't want to laminate them, you could put your postcards in an envelope. And these bags, what? These are so cute. So the fireworks is already cut out of the front. You could put stuff in these. They'd be super cute. You could slide a piece of paper in here just to kind of, whoops, don't wreck that, Cindy Lynn, just to give the fireworks some color. You could cut this right apart, use this as a stencil. I mean, the possibilities are endless with these adorable little bags. I think those are super cute. Now, we also got some vellum jars. Oh, I've got them upside down. I didn't even realize they were gold. I had them out this way. So they've got the gold embossing on them. Super cute. Now, when you run out of these, just want to make a quick point. We have a jar of flowers set with the punch and these adorable little jar domes, so you can make little shaker cards and stuff. So you can always use this set to coordinate it when you run out of these. So I like these though. They're nice and big. So I'll see. And actually there's one more. So there's 2, 4, 6. I have 6 of those. Now for our punch outs this month, we've got some gold foiling on here. Look at this Ferris wheel and the little amusement park with the roller coaster, your lanterns, some stars, some adorable little fireflies. These are so cute. And there are 4 sheets of that. So plenty of those. You won't run out of those too quickly. And then we've got 2 sheets of labels, 3 of this one, 2 of this one, and 2 of that one. And then of course you've got an entire second sheet to double those all up. So I am super excited about that. Be sure to head over to the link below and enter for the Paper Pumpkin giveaway. I'm so excited to give someone a Paper Pumpkin subscription or a free class for September. All the rules, like I said, and all of the guidelines are on my blog. So head over there, run, knock everybody over, trample everyone in your way. And until I see you again, take care and happy stamping.